Hello friends. Today I am here to share about United Nations Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day. So this day is celebrated every year on June 27. This day was chosen by United Nations General Assembly to recognize the importance of micro, small and medium enterprises to local and global economies in addition to their contribution to sustainable economic development. Now let's get to know about this micro, small and medium-sized enterprises day in short along with the history and celebration. Now let's get started. Now, before moving on to the history and importance of this micro, small and medium-sized enterprise day, let's get to know about what is a micro, small or medium-sized enterprises. The criteria for defining the size of a business differ from country to country. As a reference, the European Commission's definition of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises is established according to the number of employees and the annual turnover or balance sheet. Micro enterprise: fewer than 10 employees and an annual turnover or balance sheet below 2 million euros. Small enterprise includes fewer than 50 employees and an annual turnover or balance sheet below 10 million euros. Medium-sized enterprises includes fewer than 250 employees and an annual turnover below 50 million euros or balance sheet which includes below 43 million euros. The choice of MSME definition could depend on many factors. It includes like business culture, the size of country's population, industry and the level of international economic integration. Now let's get to know about importance of celebrating this day. Now, moving on to the importance of celebrating this micro, small and medium-sized enterprises day. According to the data provided by the International Council for Small Business, formal and informal, micro, small and medium-sized enterprises make up over 90% of all firms and account on average for 70% of total employment and 50% of GDP. These enterprises, which generally employ fewer than 250 persons, are the backbone of most economies worldwide and play a key role in developing countries. These types of enterprises are responsible for significant employment and income generation opportunities across the world and have been identified as a major driver of poverty alleviation and development. Now, moving on to the little history behind this micro, small and medium-sized enterprises day. The UN General Assembly in its 74th plenary held on the 6th April 2017 declared 27 June as Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day, recognizing the importance of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises in achieving sustainable development goals and in promoting innovation, creativity and sustainable work for all. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this micro, small and medium-sized enterprises day. Now, moving on to the celebration of this United Nations Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day. Every year on June 27, the United Nations Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day is celebrated with a particular theme. So every organization organizes a particular program on this day to recognize their help towards the economic growth. Also, the United Nations and its partners celebrate the pivotal role that these resilient entrepreneurs play in strengthening the global economy. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this United Nations Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day, its importance, the little history behind that and also about the celebration. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.